Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the Nine of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles, Eight of Wands and the Star. We also have here the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the Two of Wands. Okay. Bottom card is the Ten of Cups. Oh. So, mukhang may nakilala ka ditong new person na maaaring Aquarius, strong Aquarius or Pisces. Or maring yan yung signs ninyo. So, itong taon to is, you're in a long distance, no? Medyo malayo kayo sa isa't isa, parang nagkakilala kayo online or mutual friends, pinakilala lang kayo online, ganyan, or sa mga dating sites. Pero na-realize ninyo na malayo kayo sa isa't isa, kaya parang may nag-aalangan dito with these Two of Pentacles. No, nakatingin kayo sa isa't isa sa malayo, no, kasi parang nanghihinayang na bakit malayo itong taong ito, na bakit hindi pa naging malapit kayo, or pwede naman kayong mag-meet halfway, mga ganyan. So, parang may nag-aalangan na itry itong connection na ito. So, tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards. Kaya medyo, naiinip ka na rin sa magiging desisyon nitong taon to. With this Knight of Pentacles na medyo, hindi lang medyo, talagang mabagal. Mukhang hindi rin siya makapag-decide kung ano ba talaga. Kung itutuloy niya ba or i-ignore ka na lang. Ayan, airplane, confirmation na may long distance situation. And bonfire. So, mukhang magiging system nitong connection na to is mabilisan lang or aayawan nyo agad-agad. Kumbaga susukuan na lang ng ganun-ganun na lang na hindi pinaglalaban. So, we have here tarot cards, pero ngayon kung nangyari na to, inignore nyo na yung connection or kumbaga binitawan nyo na ang isa't isa, mukhang may nanghihinayang ngayon. So, we have here the ring, lantern, and deep well. Kasi may feelings na nasaktan na, may feelings na, nanghinayang na. So, tingnan natin, closed book. So, parehas kayo no? Sinarado nyo na lang. Or parang sinabi nyo na, hindi, hanggang doon na lang yun. Wala na yun, di ba? Kasi parang feeling nyo imposible, malabo, mahirap. Hindi pa natatry, inayawan na. So, tingnan pa natin dito sa tarot messages, oracle cards natin. So, we have here, I want to surprise you. Pero baka may magbago ang isip, no? Bago yung isip nitong taon to, bigla kang i-surprise. Surprise visit. So, we have, ayan, this is not over yet. And, honesty is the best policy. I'm addicted to you. Money is important kasi siguro inisip niya rin, naku, magastos to. Kasi kailangan ng ng malaking pera para magkita kayo sa inyong date kasi malayo, 'di ba? Hindi convenient, napakahirap ng sitwasyon. You're my strength, you're so sweet and caring, pero gustong-gusto ka niya. It hurts so badly. So, ayan, nung nag-decide kayo na parang tapusin na lang natin to, hindi tayo mag-workout, so nasaktan parehas kayo. I want to see you this weekend, bottom card. So, talagang isusurprise ka niya, no? Talagang parang gusto niyang itry. Try again. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng mga messages natin dito sa The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. I lost myself for a little while. I feel you leaving me behind. So, ayaw niya yun na mawala ka talaga sa kanya. I want to tell you how I feel. My life is not as together as it seems. So, parang ayaw niya nang totally mawala ka ng tuluyan sa buhay niya. So, tingnan pa natin. We have here, I'm so attracted to you. Kasi talagang malakas ang attraction na nararamdaman niya sa'yo. I wish I could share my good news with you. I left and I saw you with someone and I wonder if you're happy without me. So, maaaring for some of you, nag-try siya sa ibang connection, sa ibang person, pero hindi rin niya naramdaman yung hinahanap niya doon. And I couldn't let you get close to me. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Mga initials natin. Okay. G, B, Y, F, H, O, J, Q, N, S, N. So, yung bottom card is letter P. And kuha tayo ng blue card. We have here true love. Okay, so talagang tinamaan siya sa'yo. And ang lakas ng chemistry nyo. And all strings attached pa. Oh, ayan. Sayang naman, 'di ba, kung hindi bibigyan ng chance yung mga ganitong klase ng connection. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin. So, we have here clear sentence by Archangel Rockwell. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. So, divinely guided pa pala kayo nitong taong to. Tingnan nyo naman. 'Di ba? Kaya, gagawa ng paraan yan. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and the messages. So, we have here smart runner card. So, kung tumakbo man kayo sa connection na to, matatagpuan nyo ulit ang isa't isa. Killer smile and April. So, in April, 1 is fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. September, kind-hearted. National Capital Region. Party, animal. So, maaaring nagkakilala kayo sa or for some of you sa bar na medyo malayo na or dumayo lang kayo, ganyan. So, we have here city, Taurus, number 3, intelligent, Luzon, province. So, maaaring Luzon sa province kung saan nag-party-party kayo or may inattendan kayo na event, party, or parang mga organization, ganyan. We have here need more signs. Attractive, sarcastic, travel, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, talagang long distance yan. Ayan, need ng travel. Chaser, para habulin ka. Ayan, green-minded, may other country pa for some of you na long distance. Lake, North PH, and fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.